Hello and welcome to another Nimble video tutorial. We all knew this day was going to come. Nimble version 5.0 is code complete. For the past 8 to 10 months, I have been testing and debugging the Nimble platform. I've added a ton of features along the way, and Nimble is functional, error-free, and includes more features than were available in version 4.0. With all the hard work that I've put in, I think the most important quality about Nimble that I want you to take home with you is consistency. I have absolutely no worry about the management and packaging of this application because Nimble allowed me to create a CI/CD pipeline that manages the files, changes libraries, and pushes them through the pipeline step by step to make sure the build is accurate. Consistency. Nimble is a multi-instance, multi-windowed platform with multiple desktops similar to an operating system. It is responsive, has a fluid design, and allows you to have all of the UI building features at your fingertips. That's consistency. The Nimble build process builds error-free, and I was even able to create a remote build server to separate the public code from proprietary build software design and code. Consistency. This was all created from a solid design principles. Reusable, solid functions for creating units of work assembled to make a platform called Nimble version 5.0. Consistency. It's a powerful word, but in my opinion, simplicity and elegance yield consistency. If we look back at some of the features that I've added, I'd have to highlight Nimble Drive, a remote file system that seamlessly supports the DOS factory within Nimble. The build server, I've expanded the .web file format to include custom components and widgets. Let's take a look. Such as calendar components, high charts, and now custom widgets of your own. The .web format also supports importing and exporting packages and files directly from your project. I've added the common dialog control components and of course plugin support. Plugin support allowed me to break down the proprietary features within the Nimble IDE itself, so that was down to a standard bare bones text editor, and then overlay the NimbleJS features, and then create React.js UI features, and in the future Vue.js UI features, all through plugins. The use of plugins also allowed me to debut my blockchain techniques, and I'm sure we'll see more of that in the future. I was able to add more support for responsive design and the ability to embed components and controls within divs and frame objects, manage the ordering and z-ordering of these objects, as well as how they are drawn, block, inline block, or of course absolute positioning. All of this will add to the consistency that Nimble will build your applications. We are code complete. The only things I'm going to be adding to this platform will be plugins. I am currently reviewing, or will be reviewing this weekend, a nice little eye candy plugin called Rulers Guides JS. And being that Nimble is an absolute position drag drop editor, it would be nice to be able to lay down guidelines inside any dialog, such as this, and then, of course, align components and controls, widgets, and snap those widgets to those guidelines for simplicity. I'm going to review the code this weekend, see how clean it is, how easily it will merge with my design and framework, and make a plugin for it so that we can have guidelines in our dialogues. What does the future look like for Nimble? I'll be shifting gears. I won't be doing so much coding and debugging, but more promotion and marketing. I'll always be building plugins and adding minor support, and there's always the Vue.js promise that I've made. So I'll make sure those get added. But primarily, I'm going to be using the consistency of what I built to create mobile applications and generate mobile ad revenue. The Nimble solution version 5.0. Code complete. I hope you can see the consistency. Thank you for watching.